Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite oils from Biossance that you can use at any point in your skincare routine, whether if you want to use it at the end to seal everything in, or if you want to add it to your foundation or tinted moisturizer to give you an instant glow. So this is the Biossance Squalane Vitamin C Rose Oil. It comes in this really cute travel size pink bottle with a dropper. Super easy to use. It's so small, you can even fit it in your pocket. This luxurious lightweight oil is travel size. It helps brighten and firm and hydrate your skin. And it comes in this little pink bottle, which helps preserve the integrity of the oil. It comes in a dropper form. It's very lightweight. It has this really nice floral scent and it's non-greasy, which makes it perfect for all skin types. It really seals and protects the skin from any moisture loss. I usually put several drops on my hands and warm it up and then gently press it into my skin until it is fully absorbed, leaving it nice and glowy. I hope this becomes a staple in your skincare routine as well. I love it. I hope you do too, but that's just my point of view.